other. Also, outside the campus, there is also a community like the LGBTQ community. Iliangan society is also a community. But then again, inside the Liangan, there are also many different community. It is because community refers to those group of people who share common interest in your religion, mga ingon ana. So that's also one of the example of a community. Now, the benefits of community in multicultural education. So the first one is unity in diversity. A diverse community fosters mutual respect, understanding, and appreciation for different culture and perspective. So, here in the classroom, we came from different culture, traditions, and norms. So that, but then again, coming in here, we became a community. It is because there is a unity even though we are diverse. Diba?
Yes.
Because we collaborate with each other. We share common interests in goals. Even different ang atong backgrounds came out back home. And another one is inclusive learning environment. Classroom community contribute to an inclusive and supportive environment where every student feels valued and respected. So, wala man mo nagka-feel o kanang you are not less fortunate just because you're coming from Bayugan or, di ba, we are all kanang fear. We're treating fear here at NEPSO. Even though you have the disability, you come from Maluku ba ka, or you're Kamayo, you're Bisaya, Tagalog, and etc., you are welcome here in our university because we promote inclusive learning environment which is for everyone. We respected and understand each other despite of our background. Another thing is celebration of differences. Community involvement enables the celebration of cultural differences and creates a holistic learning environment. So, di ba, pag naay ka ng, so itong recent ay Holy Week, di ba? We respected, well, kaya nasa Catholics, but us na dili Catholics, we respected them because we celebrate our differences. We are coming from different traditions, coming in here, and then we celebrate each other. Like for example, there were mga Sabadista, di ba pag naatay mga event pag Saturday, we respected them. Ang teacher maghatag sa ilaha o kanang time nga dili na lang sila paapilon ana nga event. It is because we respect and celebrate them also. And now, challenges in building a multicultural community. So, cultural misunderstanding, misinterpretation of cultural practices can lead to misunderstanding and conflicts within a community. Ngano na ay misunderstanding? It is because we perceive things based on our perspective. Am I right? Diba? Kung unsa ang atong experiences, kung unsa task, we perceive things kaingon ana sa like for other people, so we saw them, we judge them, ma-misunderstand nato sila. It is because we don't know them. Kaya nag-stick lang ta og what we do and what we experience ug unsa ang atong tradition and norms. And communication barriers, differences in language and communication styles may hinder effective collaboration and understanding. Of course, kay you cannot be able to understand one person if dili ka kasabot sa iyang inistoryahan. It also may lead into misunderstanding. It is because dili ka makasabot kanang sa tanaw nimo basin dili pa nakadiya sa iyang resulti. So it hinders collaboration. Nga dili ka maka-collaborate og tarong because of your communication. So one way to attack this communication barriers, kay dili ko kabalo mo speak of, ibali lang, dili ko kabalo mo speak of Tagalog, dili ko siya dili ko kabalo mo kanang magkinamayo, dili ko siya kabalo speak of kanang kinamayo sa. So, what do I going to do is the education kana bang maghatag sa akong knowledge to be able nga makabaluta mag-speak in one language nga makasabot ta tanan, which is the Tagalog or the English. So now na mag-connect ta with each other. And stereotype and bias. Preconceived notions and biases may affect interaction, posing a challenge to building an inclusive community. So as what I have said earlier, we perceive things based on our perspective, preferences then. That is why, kana bitaw makakita taong tatos people. Nga na ay mga tatos. Kung sa thinking na to sa ilang adik, di ba? So mga stereotypes na to. And then also sa educational setting, let's say here in EMSO, we have this hierarchy of kanibitang courses na fisheries on top, second ang education, and lastly ang BSBB. Di ba mga ingon-ana, murag na ay ingon-ana mga biases and stereotypings. Kaya nga naman, pinaperceive na ito nga mas dominant ang education to all courses na na-adilhan. Di ba? That's also one kuan nga ng kuantag stereotyping and bias. Parehaan ang here in our community ang call sa ato adil sa classroom. Dili ka makigrupo ng isang person kay nga naman
Si Aira, maon na.
kay kanang sinos, gudana, di ba mamili ta kay basin maamong ta ana iya maamong ang atong grado sa iya. So that's also one of stereotyping and posing
Si
bias.
Aira, yun na.
Diba? And now the strategy for fostering a sense of community in school. So, inclusive curricula incorporating a diverse perspective and histories into the curriculum reflects the community's diversity. So, parihaan ni multicultural education. So, i-insert ang multicultural education into the curriculum to widen our perspective, to open our mind, to instill in our mind that kanang masabta na ito ang other culture to address to sa stereotyping and bias. Kaya di ba awareness lead us na makasabot na sa katao ma-respect ato sa sila kung sa ilang pinunuhan. In empathy building, teaching empathy and understanding helps students value differences and build strong connections. So by teaching also empathy and building empathy towards sa imong classmates or sa imong students will also help them nga kana bang ma-feel nila nga belong sila. Sila na they are not left behind. Parehaan na ay mag-report din, mag-listen. So in order for you to show empathy, tabangan mo mag-explain. Collaborative project, encouraging collaboration project, fosters teamwork, mutual respect, and understanding among students. So collaboration, we came from different traditions. So of course in collaboration, there is sharing of idea, understanding, and experiences. In that way, makasapunta sa ilaha o ma-open ang atong mind and then ma-aware ta sa kung sa ilang culture ay ma-open ingon ana ang mga sabadista silang sabado lang sila magsimba, ma-open ingon ana ang 50% magsigira silang sayaw. So in that way, makasabot ta sa ilaha na ma-aware ta, madagdagan ang atong knowledge when it comes to culture. Unang mawala ang stereotypes. And now, role of community engagement and multicultural education. Community partnership. Engaging with local community, strengthen ties, and promote cultural exchange and understanding. So, parehas anang kasi ito anang araw diri linakan na. Basta pag naay araw, di ba? Dahil magsenta ang atong mga teacher kay ang atong mga teacher kay magsayaw, mag-appeal sila sayaw sa local communities, makik-partnership, and also magsentag mga singers diri, mga kanang dancers to present outside. So that's one way of showing community partnership. And support networks. Community support enhancing the educational experience, creating example then, kanang there is one students na having difficulties when it comes to academics. So, ang buhaton sa school is magkuha siya og tutor coming from outside nga mag-tutor sa iya pag after school or pag walay klase. So, that's also one of the way of showing support networks. And also the parents, by collaboration with the parents, natutuan ninyo yung anak, kay mga di mauna, that's also one way of showing support networks. And resource sharing. Communities offer valuable resources, knowledge, and experiences that enrich the educational process. So resource sharing, are you familiar? I don't know if asa nga lugar ang available. Kanabitang there are kanang libraries outside the school available for students. Nakasabot-tuan ninyo na ano. Diba, na ay mga kanang library outside na pwede makabaro og books ang mga students dito, makabasa sila books, and also kaning computers provided by the local community available for the students who doesn't have access sa kaning who doesn't have access sa internet. And the relationship between societal complexity and the community. Interdependence. Societal complexity and community are interlinked, influencing each other development and sustainability. So, the societal complexity and community work hand in hand. Kaya ang societal complexity manggod, refers to the various interconnected elements and characteristics that make up society, including its cultural, economic, political, technological. It is the sum of all interrelated components. So, ang societal complexity is the sum of all interrelated components that shape how a society functions and evolves over time. That is why they are interrelated with the community. Kaya nga naman, ang advancements of balik technological advancement, so ang community mag-adjust sa kung unsa ang need sa societal complexity. So, demand man ang kanang mag-use of kaning technology. So, the community will adjust to that. So, muna nag-work sila hand in hand. And adaptation. Communities adapt to societal complexity while the communities themselves contribute to the complexity of wider society. So, ma-adapt niya kung unsa ang new sa kaning societal complexity. Pareha atong pandemic, di ba, we use online learning. So, the community of Nensuans is ni-adapt sa siya nga online learning ang gamiton by the use of technology. And how societal complexity affects community dynamics. So the first one is challenges and resilience. Societal complexity introduces challenges, testing the resilience and adaptive capacity of community. Because kanang ang technology is changing man along the way. Of course, the society of the resilience, of course, sa community will also be changed. Kaya nga naman, mo-adapt man siya, kaya bang, pwede man siya sa kanang kung saan nasa societal complexity. So, pag-change siya along the way, hindi siya mag-stay, hindi siya stagnant. And then, opportunity for innovation. It also present opportunity for community innovation and collaboration in addressing complex issues. So, pag naay mga issues that comings, it will lead us manggod to have that innovation na unsaon na to pag-solve on that particular issues. That is why it provides us an opportunity na magkuanta of innovation. So, that's what the societal complexity relate to the community. You understood? That's a real thank you.